So a lot of the people that I work with that have problems in their hips, their lower back or their knees generally have a problem in articulating their feet. They can't sort of move their toes independently, or they've got collapsed arches. You'd be surprised at how your gait, how you walk and how your foot operates is a really good predictor of if you're going to have knee problems, hip problems, lower back problems. So I'm going to show you a couple of little quick exercises that you can do daily. Do them first thing in the morning. They'll take 2 or 3 minutes. They will help alleviate certain pains and aches that you have from your foot not operating maybe as well as it could do. Especially ankle, calf and knee problems, and some hip problems as well. So, you're on the floor with your nice toes, and what you're going to do first is you're just going to give them a little wiggle. No sort of pre-planned patterns or anything. Now you're just going to relax. The first thing you're going to do is lift your big toes independently of the rest of your toes. You want to keep the other 4 fully on the ground and lift your big toes. So, up, hold it for a second and down, up, hold it for a second and down. Now if you roll out like this, that's you using other muscles to help lift the big toe. You want to be able to keep the full pad of the foot on the floor and lift. Notice if the weight in your foot changes at all, so if you start rocking back the way or end up on your toes, just take note of it, and it's something to be aware of. And after that, then you're going to lift all your other toes. Keep the big toe on the floor. From there, you're going to swap up. So you should have control in your feet. The next exercise, so that was the first one, simple, do 10 of each. If you struggle with it, you can, if you really do struggle, you can gently just keep your hands on your little toes, for example, and lift that one, and vice versa. Add a little bit of assistance, but try not to do too much. Second one is you're just going to try and do a semicircle. So the index toe and the big toe, when you alternate them, try and put them above each other. Again, keep note of where your balance is, or if you're trying to roll your ankles in or out or anything like that. The next exercise, we're just going to scrunch your toes together, like you're trying to pull yourself along the floor just by using your toes. Again, you should be able to scrunch all 5 toes. And if you want to make it harder, scrunch just the little toes. And then, this one's difficult, just the big toes, which is quite hard to do. Again, aim for about 10 reps. So the very last one, now you're pushing your toes into the ground straight and causing the arch of your foot to lift. So the weight's in your foot, so you've got weight in your toes, just push them in straight, cause that arch to lift. Again, 10 reps. And on the last one, just hold at the top. And with the more weight in the toes, the more you'll feel this working up through the arch of your foot. As I say, about 10 reps for each of those exercises. It'll take you 2 or 3 minutes, and it will just help build the strength in the foot to help the foot work a little bit more optimally whenever you're walking. Because as I say, a lot of problems people don't realise comes from the gait, comes from the way they walk, the way they use their feet, or the way they don't use their feet, because they're generally in modern closed-toed shoes, and that can give you a lot of problems. So look, give them a go, see if it makes any difference, and if it does, keep doing them.